Let's go. I'm back, everyone. This is PyProTech coming back into another course in this video. So today what are we going to learn? We're going to learn about dictionaries. So last class we learned about loops. So if you haven't watched the video, just go and watch it. Pause this, go and watch the video and hit the subscribe button, like, share, and thank you for all the support and all the love. I think we just hit 50 subscribers. That's a feat in just like 2 days or 3 days. So thank you for everyone for the love and support. So let's go to this web page. I'll have this in the link in the description below. So now what are we gonna do? So it says a dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. So first thing we just read is it is unordered, changeable, and indexed. And then Python dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. So what are we going to learn today? They have keys and values. So let's go ahead and start this. Let's do cats equals to, then this is a dictionary, and these curly bracket, this is a dictionary, and then we put a variable like say mini and then 10, oops, and then 10, and then let's do lazy as 5, and then let's do rob as let's say 3, and then what else can we put? Let's do mark, oops, let's do mark as, let's put this in quotations, and let's say 7, and then now we do print cats. Alright, and then we got to go to CMD. For those people who have Mac OS, go to Mac OS. So let's do CD desktop. My file is on desktop, so I'll do CD desktop. Now the cool thing is, for those people, okay, I'll have the, it's basically for Windows users you do dir and then it will show all the files, and for Mac users you do ls. So like if I do this dir, and then it will show me all my files. Oops, where is my command? And then let's go to CD desktop, and then what can we do is I have to access python refresher.py, and then see mini, lazy, and then rob and 3. So if I do enter, so the thing about is in dictionaries they're unordered, so I think it should tell the CMD, it should tell CMD that to change the orders, but it's not changing, so that's unfortunate. Anyways, it should change, but as it was written over here is they're unordered, but I don't understand why CMD is not responsive enough to change the orders. They should change the orders. So what happens is if I print this, print cats, the order should change. So it should say lazy should be first or rob should be first. So the indexing changes. Anyways, so dictionaries is really good for searching. If you want to search something, you can go ahead and search in the dictionaries. For example, let's do print, and then as cats, let's do in the third bracket we do rob. Okay, in this third bracket we do rob, and also we do print cats, and then in this third brackets what do we do? Let's do lazy. Alright, and then we go to CMD. Obviously you know what it should print, as I am calling for rob and I'm calling for lazy, and then it should print 3 and 5 because those are the keys values. If I change the key values to maybe let's say 9, then it should say 9 and 5. So that's how dictionaries work. And let's say, what if I want to remove something in the dictionary? So let's go ahead and delete this. If I want to remove something in the dictionary, let's do del, and then in these parentheses we do cats, and then we do the name of the thing we want to delete, name of the variable we want to delete, then it's mark. Alright, and then we do print. What do we do? Print cats. So simple. And I did print cats, and then let's go to CMD and then python refresh.py, and boom, mini, lazy, rob, and then mark is gone because I deleted it. And what happens if I want to add another variable? Let's say cats is, let's do, what else can we name another cat? Let's say Toby. That's a cat name. I mean, I'm really bad with cat names. And let's say 9, and then we do print cat. So as I said, dictionaries, it is really good for searching, and then you can add another dictionaries and then you can remove. So obviously you know, and you should know, the output should be Minnie, Lazy, Rob, Mark, Toby. It just added a new element. So this is gonna be the most fun part. Dictionaries is another fun experimentations for new developers. You should go ahead and pause this video and you should experiment yourself in your dictionaries, so it will enhance your skills. So what happens now, what we are gonna learn is we're gonna learn how to update an element in a dictionary. So we do cats, and then in this third bracket we add a name. So for example, let's say Lazy. Lazy has grown older. Let's say Lazy, and we obviously have to put quotations, and let's do equals to, let's do 6. Lazy has grown 1 year older, and then we have to print cats, and then we do Python refresh.py. Boom, Lazy has grown 1 year older, while these Minnie, Rob and Mark are still the same. Looks like Lazy is growing fast. So enough of the jokes. Now for example, in this we can update. In dictionaries we can set this to boolean also. For example, let's say Lazy is grown to 6. We are keeping this, and then we are doing cats, and then we are doing Minnie as true. So what is this gonna print? It's gonna print Minnie and then semicolon equals to true. So let's go ahead and check. Boom, Minnie true, Lazy 6, Rob 3, Mark 7. So this is it for dictionaries. So next class we're gonna learn about classes. I think that is our last lecture in this, and then we're gonna start doing web projects. So we're gonna do projects related to HTML and then Python and Django. There's a lot to come, and then I won't throw everything in your face step by step. So hit the subscribe button, like, share and subscribe, and comment down below what to do next, and I'll surely reply to everyone's doubts. So thank you and have a nice day.